Hello, I'm Iron Man. Welcome to Lego Drag Race. Hope you enjoy it. Okay. Race number one. Race number one is called the Flame. Look at this fire. Okay, these are sponsors. Race number two. It's called the Turbocharger. Ooh. Okay, let's go to the area where we get ready. Their supplies and their oil. Or their gas. Let's check out the racetrack. All together. The Lego racetrack, of course. Okay, this is the cameraman. Hello. Welcome to the race. Okay, here are our visitors. The cars.
Beep 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 beep, yeah!
Okay, let's go to our visitors right here.
Hurrah! Yeah! Woo!
Everybody is pumped for the race. So let's get it underway. Okay. We are, of course, at the Lego racetrack. It's a drag strip, of course. Okay, everybody. 1, 2, 3, go. Whoa, he didn't make it. He hit, but he didn't make it. Oh well. Let's look at the other racetrack driver. Whoa, what happened? Here is this other piece. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.